Three types of subtraction problems are shown in these pictures. Here the total is given, one part or the subtrahend is missing, and the difference is given here. Here total minus the subtrahend, and we need to find the difference. And in this case total is missing, the part and part are given, or the subtrahend and the difference are shown here. Students read these pictures and come up with a number sentence for each kind of the problem, the pictorial representation. Now card number 5. The picture shows 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, sorry, not 8, minus something is 2. And the total, this is the place where the total is placed. Why am I getting 8 all the time? 7 is the total, and one part is missing and the other part is 2. And a number sentence with a solution is, so if I take away, if these 2 is this, and then the rest is 5. So 7 minus 5 is 2. Now in this type here we try to find the minuend, or one part of this subtraction problem. And here card number 9, total is given, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is the total, minus the crossed out dots are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them are crossed out. The remaining is 1, 2, 3, 4. Total is 10, crossed out is 6, the rest of it is 4. Now number sentence is 10 minus 6 is 4. Card number 3. Here part and part are given, total is missing. So total minus 2 is 3. One part is 2 and the other part is 3, and this is missing. So 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. Directions help students work on this activity independently. Teacher exemplar sets expectations, and answers provide immediate feedback. Please make sure to provide enough practice before putting this station in your activity group or station activity stations.